immediate results of property destruction is bad enough, although the underlying damage can be far worse. Water-damaged surfaces that are not dried out and treated will continue to break down and corrode. The lasting damage that is sometimes unseen can be far worse than the obvious, as moisture problems fester and amplify, creating unsafe conditions that can lead to structural damage of the building's overall strength and integrity being compromised. Along with structural problems, other challenges including breakdown of existing building components that when intact don't cause a problem, but when disrupted and broken down can result in the release of harmful contents. Some become airborne and ending in SBS, sick building syndrome, that leads to BRI, building-related illness. All this can be simply avoided by installation of the right green coating encasement system on the outside of that surface, protecting it from the intrusion of destructive water and its damaging effects. Now let's look at how wind can damage unprotected surfaces